In today's fast-paced world, the internet offers numerous opportunities to earn money without any initial investment. One popular method is freelancing, where you can offer services such as graphic design, writing, or programming. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to create a profile and bid on projects that match your skills. By building a strong portfolio and gathering positive reviews, you can attract more clients and increase your earnings over time. Another way to earn money without investment is by creating and selling digital products. If you have expertise in a particular area, such as photography, cooking, or fitness, you can create ebooks, online courses, or printables. Websites like Etsy, Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing, and Teachable provide platforms to sell your digital creations. With the right marketing strategies, your products can reach a wide audience and generate passive income. Participating in online surveys and microtasks is another simple method to earn money. Companies like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Amazon Mechanical Turk pay users to complete surveys, watch videos, and perform small tasks. While the earnings may not be substantial, these activities can be a quick and easy way to make some extra cash in your spare time. Consistent effort and commitment can lead to a steady stream of income. Another avenue is affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel and earn a commission on sales generated through your referral links. Select products that align with your interests and audience to increase your chances of success. Building a loyal following and creating engaging content can greatly enhance your affiliate marketing efforts. Lastly, consider leveraging your skills and knowledge by offering online tutoring or coaching sessions. Websites like VIP Kid, Chegg Tutors, and Coach Me connect tutors and coaches with students or clients worldwide. Whether you excel in academics, life coaching, or fitness training, these platforms allow you to share your expertise and earn money by helping others achieve their goals. By exploring these opportunities, you can earn money without the need for any upfront investment. The key to success lies in identifying your strengths, staying consistent, and continuously learning and adapting to the market trends. With dedication and persistence, you can find fulfilling ways to generate income and potentially turn your passions into a profitable venture.